Okay, so now I'll show you how to create web banners and put them onto the website. So to add web banners to the site, you want to go to Revolution Slider. I'll open up a version of the website too so you can see how the slides look. So this is the homepage slider, and to change anything you need to go to Edit Slides. So these are all the current slides that I have here now. I'm going to add a new slide now, so what I'll do is I'll just duplicate an old one so all the formatting things stay the same. It makes it easier just to go in and change the small things you need to change. So you can go to Edit Slide, and all the formats are going to stay the same because we just duplicated it. Now, two things to change is the image, of course, and the link. That's all you have to do. So click on Change Image under Slider Main Image Background. And I'm going to take this image, which I already uploaded, insert it, and then I'm going to change the link. Here, go to Odiana Center, and I'm going to click on Center, Mondays, copy the link, paste it here, that slide is done, so I'm going to scroll to the bottom and click on Update Slide. That slide should be all set. I'm going to go to Slide List. I can see the order of the slides. So I'm going to move this one up a little bit to maybe here, based on what I want people to see first. I'm also going to delete this one because I'm going to need room for another, and 6 is kind of the maximum we want to use. So I'm going to delete this one. And I'm going to change this one. I'm going to have it link to, this series is ending, so I'm going to have it linked to a Sunday class instead. So I'm going to edit it. And once again, I'm going to pull in a new image. So change image. And this one time I don't have it uploaded yet, so I'm going to click on Upload Files. Select Files. And then I'm going to find the file I need, if I can find it here. It's called Sunday. Yeah. So I upload the file. I click Insert. There it is. And of course I want to change it to a new link. Go to the Sunday. Copy that with Control-C. And then paste it into the slide link. And update slide. Okay. I'm going to go back now to slide list. Now I can see that's up top first. I like the order of this right now, so I'm going to keep it as is. There's 5 different slides. It's a good number to have. 5's a 5. 6 seems like a lot, so I like this now. And it should update automatically here if I refresh by clicking on the Odiana logo. We should see That come up first. Just breathe. So we're looking good. You can always test it, make sure it links to the right page. Yep. I'm also going to edit this page because I want to reflect the same image here. So I'm going to pop back in here. And this is the previous video showed this. I'm going to go to all pages and Sundays to find that one. There it is. And I just want to have the image match. So I'm going to take this one out by deleting it. Click on Add Media. Click on this which I've already uploaded. Insert that into the post. It's way too big, so I'm going to size it down a bit. Click on Update. I'm going to try it again just to see how it flows through. Click. There we go. So now it's matching. This information pretty much matches. Usually this will change too, but I'm not going to change it for the sake of this video. So that's how you work with the web banners and change the slider options.